Hello, and thank you for watching this presentation on the 2021 Annual Road Reconstruction Program, or ARRP for short. This is the Culver Place Reconstruction Project. My name is Hisham Ali from the City of London. We are sharing information a little bit differently this year to ensure public safety and follow COVID-19 restrictions on public gatherings. This presentation is part of a project update meeting, or PUM, for residents to learn more about project details and impacts. Neighborhood street reconstruction. First, we would like to share a little about neighborhood street reconstruction happening across London. The city is committed to maintaining strong and healthy communities through safe and accessible infrastructure. As roads deteriorate over time, they can begin to crack and show distress. The city identifies neighborhood streets in poor road condition and reconstruct them in the spring and summer months. In some cases, these projects present an opportunity to include building a new sidewalk in compliance with council policy on one or both sides of the street where they currently do not exist. Each project is different with its own design, timeline, and infrastructure that needs to be replaced. We hope this presentation can introduce you to the work that is being planned and help answer some of the questions you may have. Project overview. The project limits are Culver Place from Culver Drive to the end of the street. Works to be completed. The asphalt roadway and curbs and gutter will all be removed. A new granular road base will also be constructed to ensure the road has the support it needs to achieve its maximum life cycle. The roadway will receive new asphalt base and surface layer this year. Removal and installation of existing catch basins with additional catch basins installed to improve drainage. Project design. Draft design drawings. Here you will see a typical engineering design drawing, showing a plan view of Culver Place from entrance to house number 304. The new sidewalk is also shown on the drawings along the north side of Culver Place, shown in pink color. As you can see by the laser pointer in here, these are the sidewalk limits. Please pause the video to take a longer look at the drawings at any points. This drawing shows Culver Place from house number 304 to house number 352. What's ahead for construction? Pre-construction phase. Any trees that will be affected due to construction impacts or existing health concerns will be removed. All remaining trees within the city right-of-way will be protected with 1.2 meter high orange fencing supported with a metal T-post and 2x4 wood bracing along the top. Construction phase. During construction, all curbs and asphalt will first be removed. Existing catch basins will also be removed and replaced, and additional catch basins will be installed as required. Finally, placement of new curbs and gutters, asphalt, and a new sidewalk. Sidewalk. A new sidewalk is proposed on the north side of Culver Place. The new sidewalk will be 1.8 meter wide and will be immediately adjacent to curb. Trees. Tree assessment. During the design process, an assessment is completed by the city's forestry division. This assessment includes an evaluation of tree health, size and species, including recommendations for tree pruning and tree protection during construction, and finally, an identification of tree removal. Tree removals. Tree removals are identified where the tree health is identified as poor condition and removal is coordinated with the project. Tree removals can also occur where a conflict with the installation of new infrastructure is unavoidable. Tree removals are a joint decision between the City Forestry Division and the engineering project team. Tree planting. The city has a consolidated yearly contract for tree planting across multiple projects. The tree planting is not part of the construction project and will happen a year post-construction. The city's forestry division will assess and plan tree planting where applicable. Homeowners will receive more information from the city prior to replanting. Parking during construction. Parking and driveways. Access to driveways will be maintained except for times when work on driveways and curbs are completed. Cars can park on adjacent streets when this work is completed. Parking enforcement will be notified that construction will be ongoing and parking on adjacent streets will be allowed overnight. Please be mindful of all prohibited parking areas. Questions or comments? Finally, we would like to share how you can engage with our project team. If you would like to ask a question or leave a comment, please use the City of London's public engagement website, Get Involved. You can provide your feedback at getinvolved.london.ca/Culver Place. We recognize that not everyone will be able to access this information online and will ensure residents receive a project update in their mail about this construction. If you would like to request information in an alternate format, please contact Kyle Fairhurst or Darius Dow and we will work together to best share this information with you. Kyle Fairhurst can be reached by email at kfairher@london.ca or phone at 519-661-2489 extension 2496. Or you can contact Darius Dow by email at ddow@london.ca or phone at 519-661-2489 extension 8440. Thank you for your interest in the project and we look forward to keeping you informed.